Hey guys, just arrived in Ankara, the capital of Turkey, and I came by bus. So here I am at the bus station. I came by bus from Cappadocia. I took 4 hours to reach here, but now this is the bus station, and we'll be going to the Ankara city and staying for one day. And we'll be showing you all some of the attractions, not all, but some of the attractions in this vlog. This guy has got into the taxi and now going to the hotel. Actually, that is a hostel, and we'll be reaching within a few minutes. And then after that, we'll be showing you some of the attractions, maybe. But on the way, I will show you the city as well. And we have our friend who is driving the official taxi. His name is Mustafa.
Okay.
Can you tell us some very popular places for tourists in Ankara? Popular tourist places.
Ankara.
Ankara. Tourist places. Do you know any tourist places?
لا لا Ankara.
Okay. He actually cannot speak English and properly not understanding me. So no issue, I will find you places and then we'll tell you later in the video.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
तुर्की चल लेगा ना. Hey guys, I am in the center of the city here, Ankara. This is the center. Behind me you can see this is called downtown or city center. But the problem is that I did not find my hotel that I booked through online, and the taxi driver also did not find that. So basically the problem is now I'm standing here and looking for any other hotel, but still I cannot find, and the reason is Turkish language. If you are not familiar with Turkish language, then you are gonna have a hard time here in Ankara, because all the hotel names, restaurant names and places names are in Turkish language. Very little English here. So still going to find something, some hotel. Wish me good luck. Still looking for hotel or hostel or something like that, but no luck yet, and it's very cold here. I already have fever and headache because of the strict weather, but still no luck with hotel. Let's see, find something. Hey guys, just found this hotel after 20 minutes researching. Now let's see. Okay guys, so I have got this room in the hotel and finally my luck worked and I found the hotel with English name. And simply this hotel room, which is, I mean, a 3-star hotel, nice, all the facilities are here. I mean, the Wi-Fi and coffee, tea, water, and breakfast is also included in this hotel. So I can also see the view from here, city view outside. So basically I have simply made a tea for me. I have to make it. Okay guys, so after coming to Ankara, the capital of Turkey, within 1 hour, what I have learned so far is that basically if you come to this city by chance, because this is not a tourist attraction. In Turkey, tourist attractions are Istanbul, Cappadocia, Izmir, and other cities. This is not a tourist destination. But if you somehow came here, like I have come here just to take a flight and just staying here for 12 or 14 hours, then if you are not familiar with the Turkish language, then you have to search all the things already before coming here, because nobody is familiar with English, and all the boards and the hotel names and the places names are written in Turkish, which is a little bit different, so you are gonna have a hard time like me. I did not find my hotel, which I booked online. So now I had to take this hotel, which cost me $40, which includes breakfast, and it is a good hotel. I mean, this is nice. So basically, what more I have learned is that taxis are everywhere in the city. You can get a taxi. Taxis are metered and they do not cheat. So you have to hire. You can hire a taxi without any problem, and it will cost you around $10 for a 5 kilometer ride. And I think it is not very expensive city, and that's it. And the traffic is jam, very jam. So if you have to go somewhere like the airport or bus station, then try to go out an hour before, so that you can get reach there on time. So this is all the story so far. Within 1 hour, I got such a hard time. I had such a hard time. So see you outside with other attractions. Why? So there, I don't.
Buraya çift olarak mı?